Okay, here we're going to be asked to find the slope of the line that goes through these points. So we have three problems here to work. Let's work this first one. So in order to find the slope, we're going to use our formula. Our formula requires that we identify each point as x1, y1, x2, y2. And then we use the formula that m, the slope, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So for this one, I take y2, which is negative 7. Then I subtract from that y1, which is negative 4. Then over x2, which is negative 5, minus x1, which is 3. Okay, now be careful here. This is really negative 7. Minus a negative means plus. So this is negative 7 plus 4, which gives us negative 3. And then this is negative 5 minus 3, which gives us negative 8. And therefore, what we can say is that negative 3 over negative 8 is actually just 3/8, because a negative over a negative is positive. So that is the slope of the line through those two points, 3/8. Now for this next one, we're going to try and find the slope again. I'll label this x1, y1, x2, y2. And now, again, the slope, we use the same formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 is 3 minus y1, which is 3, over, now x2 is negative 3, and x1 is 5, so I go minus 5. Now the numerator is 3 minus 3, which is 0, over negative 8, and 0 divided by negative 8 is just 0. So this line has a slope of 0, and that actually represents a horizontal line, because horizontal lines have a slope of 0. And then over here, this problem, again, we'll label x1, y1, x2, y2. I'll use my slope formula. So y2 is negative 2 minus y1, which is 3, over x2, which is 5, minus x1, which is 5. Okay, now here in the numerator, we get negative 2 minus 3, which is negative 5, over 5 minus 5, which is 0. And this is bad, because you cannot have division by 0. So in this case, we'd say that the slope is undefined. And this right here is representative of a vertical line, because vertical lines have undefined slopes.